Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera to all of you. Okay, this is the explanation on lab sheet 5, okay, topic function. And you may refer to your notes on chapter 4, okay, for these topics, right? Okay, let we discuss on the general instruction and learning outcome. So make sure that you work in a group of 2 person, okay, and then the report must be submitted online, okay, a week after the lab session. And then hopefully, okay, at the end of this lab activities, you are able to declare, define and call a function in C++. You will work with function that have passed by value and passed by reference parameter. And also you can construct and execute successfully, okay, a simple program using modular programming approach, which is function, right? Okay, basically, okay, this lab 5 will be divided into 2 parts, okay, which is the practice section, and then the second part is the problem solving, right? Okay, so let me discuss on the practice one first. Okay, you will work with user defined function. Okay, what you need to do is you need to copy converttem.cpp, okay, the program from figure 1. Okay, you copy to the editor and compiler, and then observe the output, right? So the important thing is here, okay, for the instruction 2 here, okay, after you compile and the program will run successfully, right? And then, okay, when the program asks you to insert the input, so you need to type 27, okay, and then you see the output, okay, from the console screen, right? Okay, and then instruction number 3, okay, based on figure 1, right? Based on the figure 1, state in which line, okay, is the segment code for A, a function call, B, function definition, and also the third one is the function prototypes. Okay, you just state the lines, okay, in the segment code in your program. Okay, and then number 4, okay, describe the elements in the first line of function definition for converttem.cpp. So you already know, okay, in question 3, okay, the function definition. Okay, so you just take the first line of function definition and describe the elements, okay, of the statement, right? Okay, and then number 5, right? You need to draw flowchart for subfunction, okay, not for the whole program. You just draw for the subfunction, right? Okay, when you can see from the function definition and just provide the flowchart, right, for the subfunction. Okay, let me move to the practice 2. Okay, practice 2 will be divided into 2, okay, which is A, passing argument to function using pass by value. Okay, so make sure that you need to refer to a few figures provided in this section. Okay, so for the first instruction, practice 2A, okay, so you need to refer to this structure chart and pseudocode in figure 2A and 2B. Complete the program kinetic energy.cpp. Okay. However, okay, you need to fill in, okay, suitable statements at the highlighted lines in figure 3. Okay, you need to complete the kinetic energy.cpp first. Okay, you complete all the program. Any blanks you need to fill in, right? And then after that, after you think that you already written the complete program, you need to debug. Okay, so this is the hint, right? Okay, actually this program will find the kinetic energy of an object, okay, by using the formula Ke equal to 0.5 times m times velocity, right? Okay, where m is the mass of an object, okay, the weight, right, in kg. And v is the velocity, the speeds in meter per second, right? Okay, this and then you as you can see here, okay, figure 2A is the structure chart, okay, and then figure 2B is the pseudocode for function K energy, and then this is the program you need to complete. Okay, so make sure you complete all this from 1 and 2, 6, okay, 1 to 6. and then you need to compile and make sure that the output is similar with this output in figure 4. Okay, this is the expected output. So make sure that after you complete the figure 3, you can compile the program and see the output, okay, similar with this figure 4. Okay, the output in figure 4. Alright. Okay, and then the second instruction, okay, you need to copy, okay, to a new line. Okay, so just okay, I just said just now, okay, you need to okay, to compile and from the compiler, right? Okay, from the editor, and then you may see the output, okay, printed on the console screen. Okay, and then number 3, right, based on line 13 in program kinetic energy.cpp, suggest another solution to declare the function prototype. So as I told you earlier in the lecture, in the lecture station, okay, how you can declare, the techniques on how you can declare the function prototypes, right? Okay, then we move to the practice 2b, okay, passing argument to function, okay, pass by value. Okay, so and also the user defined function, the library function. Okay, so referring to program in practice 2a, okay, kinetic energy.cpp, you need to suggest appropriate code, okay, to invoke maths library function, and also the format the output to 2 decimal places, right? Okay, so sorry, okay, for the practice 2b, okay, actually the passing argument to function, not pass by value. This is actually for library function, right? This is the for library function, right? Okay. And then in order to make sure that you know, okay, the library function, you can use the library function provided by C++. Okay, you need to know, you know how to invoke the function, and also how to format. Okay, in this case, you need to do 2 exercises, which is the invoke maths library function, and then format the output to 2 decimal places. Okay, that's the question number 1 for practice 2b. And then for the second one, you need to debug and run the modified program and then see the output. Okay, so does the program produce the same output as expected, okay, from the previous one, and then prove your reason, right? Okay, that's the practice 2b. Okay, for practice 3, okay, the passing argument to function, pass by reference. Okay, what you need to do is, okay, create function definition called swap nums as highlighted in figure 6, okay, where it can swap 2 numbers. Okay, this function must receive reference address of 2 variable numbers passed by the caller. Okay, so make sure, okay, this is the output, okay, the expected output. You need to create, okay, you need to create function definition here. Okay, so make sure that this function definition, okay, this function is able to swap the number, right? Okay, when the caller pass 2 numbers to that function, and then this function will swap, okay, the position of the number, right? Okay, so you need to create function definition here. Okay, you don't have to create the function prototype, because you define the function before function main. Okay, in this case, right? Okay, you copy the program, the complete program. Okay, after you define the function, okay, called swap nums, and then to make sure that the program is run successfully, so you need to copy this program to the editor and then see the output. Okay, observe the output. Is it similar with the expected output? Okay, and then you need to prove your reason, right? Okay, that's the practice section. Okay, we move to the second one, is the problem solving. Okay, problem solving part, okay, for lab 5 is similar to the problem solving part in lab 4. Okay, however, okay, beside the control structure that you use, okay, in lab 4, okay, you need to apply modular programming concept, okay, to solve the problem. Okay, so carefully read the lab 4, the problem statement in lab 4, okay, and then you need to modify and suggest your solution using function. Okay. However, your modular design approach must fulfill using at least two types of these following user-defined function, okay, arranged by respective lecturer or lab instructor. Okay, so for this problem statement, I will guide you later. Okay, I will decide which group will do A and B, or A and C, or B and C, or B or D. Okay, so later I will list the group, okay, specific okay, I will specify, okay, which group will do these types of function, okay, later, right? Okay, so after you complete the program, after you finish the program, after you finish the implementation, okay, meaning that you already complete the write the program, so you need to make sure that the correct output, okay, you get the correct output. Okay, so based on the lab 4, okay, so you have to determine the BMI, okay, using two types of formula, right? Okay, and then okay, to make sure that you design a proper program, okay, so I need you to suggest, okay, the first one, you need to design the structure diagram and algorithm for the whole program. So doesn't matter you provide me the pseudocode or flowchart, but you need to give us the structure diagram and the algorithm, either pseudocode or flowchart, right? And the second one, you just write down your complete source code, okay, for this problem solving. And then the last one, testing and verification. Okay, as you can see here, you need to compile the program and enter the random inputs. Okay, however, you need to make sure that the number of output must be based on the option provided in that program. So if we have three types of selection, for example, for BMI, okay, for the overweight, okay, so maybe normal, okay, so based on that, okay, you need to provide the number of outputs. Okay, alright, okay, that's all for lab 5. Okay, so just wait until I give you the list of specific function that you need to do for your problem solving. Alright, thank you. Okay, good luck. Assalamualaikum.